Hello, this is Deb of Phenomenal Flowers. Today is going to be part one of how I created the Cowboy bottle veil for my bride that I recently worked with. Well, really, I worked with the husband. It was a total surprise for her, and she thought I did a great job, so I was happy. First of all, this is a curly veil. I think it looks really cute. It's probably about 12 inches long. It has a bow on the top, but we're going to take the bow apart. It also has a comb on the back side, but we're not going to utilize the comb. You can if you want to, but this was to attach to a cowboy hat, so it doesn't need any hair or anything to make it work. I also have some adhesive. I may or may not use the adhesive. I didn't on the last one. This is a disgusting glue gun. I'm sorry about that, but it's my favorite. It's my favorite. This is the glue gun that I used to keep the magnets on. This is a pack of magnets that I purchased probably 10 years ago now. It's an entire box that I purchased on Amazon. As you can see, I've had them quite some time, and I still have quite a few left. These are the snips that I purchased from Harbor Freight. You can purchase them at Harbor Freight or online, and I use them for the flowers. This is a stem of flowers that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. This is the blue bonnet that I used. You can purchase the blue bonnets from my Etsy store if you don't have access to them. And again, if you don't have access to the foam, like I used, the little square foam, you can also use a pool noodle. Be very careful if you're using hot glue because this will melt. It's also very, very sturdy. That's why I didn't choose to use the green floral foam, which tends to shed sometimes. Also, you may or may not use scissors, and you can definitely tell that I got the scissors from Office Depot. So stay tuned.